Hey, what's up my awesome YouTube family? Welcome back to our channel where we dive into crazy world of cars, models, and a never-ending adventure. So, today's video is all about routine maintenance, and let me tell you folks, it's a story of joy and pain. Now, you know I love my view. The more, the merrier. But hey, with great power comes great empty pocket.
꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다.
Look at this poor thing. It used to be fat and happy. Now it's just sad and lonely. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to dive into the magical world of changing a car power steering belt. Buckle up folks, because this one's going to be a wild ride. Remember my fellow cars friends, when it comes to maintenance, our wallet might cry, but our vehicle will thank us with a pour of delight. So this is the belt that we are using, Bando Premier. It's a third party, not the original one, and the code is here. 5PK875. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. So this is the belt that we're going to change today. So in order to change this belt, first of all, you need to take out this cover. So take out this cover, you need to unscrew here, and follow by the step to unscrew this screw to let it loosen up, this screw, and this screw, this one, yeah. Then after you do all this step, you should be able to take out your belt. This is the old one and this is the new one. So as you guys can see, the old one cracked. So due to wear and tear, it cracked. So that's the reason we need to maintain our car regularly. New one. See? Smooth. The belt that we already replaced, so now let's start the car and see how it works. So it works perfectly fine. Thanks for joining me on this wallet draining adventure, my awesome subscriber. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your fellow cars loving friends. Until next time, stay awesome, stay quickly, and keep those vehicles rolling.